Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Sean,
I'm Chris.
and today we are brought here to check out
Wagamamarakia, Rain.
Yeah, nailed it.
Yeah.
But I'm excited about it. All the songs have sounded different. They've all been jamming.
Yeah, I've listened to multiple
Yeah,
times. It's hit a mood. So
yeah, it's really cool.
we did watch one of the lives, which was really good.
Yeah.
Trash.
Yeah, that was an awesome song when we were testing to see if it was going to be
live quality and
and it was like pro shot videos and everything like that.
So we're gonna have to check out some more of those.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna get to them. But right now, Rain, it looks like might be some sadness.
Yeah, I don't know. Hope not.
Yeah, raining on their face. Not crying.
Sad day.
Yeah. But can you think of anything to add before we just get into it?
No, ready to check them out. Ready to add another one that I can listen to.
Yeah. If you are new here, hit subscribe. We notice and appreciate it.
Everyone, for sure.
Think you're cool if you do. And leave a comment. We like to read them and whatnot. Rain.
Sounds cool. The reverse video. Killing it.
Right.
Dude, those jamming drop in, dude.
They definitely have I like the band dynamic because just having more people on stage and the instrumentation makes it seem more real. I don't know.
You can enjoy the energy more.
Yeah,
because you can see that.
Yeah. But yeah, I like that drop in.
That piano work in the beginning was good too.
Yeah, I think she might be like one of the best Japanese rappers I've heard. Period.
They're killing it.
Because I like a lot of rap and I like a lot of Japanese rock, but I haven't found a lot of Japanese rap that I like.
Yeah,
because a lot of it just sounds like dated.
Right.
I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna go all the way back to the way she came in. Just get that. Okay, here we go. It's almost like ballady.
Yeah. Except for the rap.
Every now and again, you gotta bust out a little megaphone.
Yeah, you can tell like there is a certain auto-tune factor in them, but it's not. I don't think it's overdone. I like
Yeah.
it. You know what I mean?
I mean, I think there's a couple points in the song that is borderline.
Yeah, well, I think the megaphone is kind of obnoxious. You know what I mean? You got to do that sometimes, but
right.
you know what I mean?
Yeah. But it's still fun regardless.
Yeah. All right, we'll switch up, man.
Oh,
little EDM beat
chill
now.
mode.
Please turn online.
I forgot this song started with the piano.
Yeah,
acapella.
they hit a wide variety throughout that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, I'm excited to see and hear everything from them because it all sounds so different. I don't like it when something just sounds all the same.
all the
'Cause then-
time. Like, yeah.
Yeah. Because this is everything. It's highlighted a different person. It's highlighted a different sound. It would be amazing to see live. The trash video,
The trash
seemed
video, a lot of
seemed to be-
energy. Like,
yeah, it'd be bouncy as fuck. So, yeah, this one is probably the most like I said, closest to a ballad that we've heard.
Yeah,
So,
for sure. It even got light for a short
Yeah.
verse there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
And the piano, everything was killing it.
yeah, they artistry, all of them were killing it. Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. Yeah, I liked it a lot. So
Yeah, they're a fun group. They're definitely gonna be climbing up the radar of like time to
Go
listen
check
to
them
this.
out. Yeah.
Time to listen to that. But anything you can think of before we get out of here?
No, man, glad we checked it out.
Yeah, me too. They're super fun. But thanks for watching with us. See you next time.